Hello Troglodyte! So today, I'm going to be installing Arch Linux on the lab. And how hard could it possibly be, right? So, let's get into it. Alright, so the first thing we gotta do is we gotta create our USB install medium. So by the way, I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing. So, let's just take this away, Michael JMD style. Installation guide, Arch Wiki, that looks good. Okay, this document is for installing Arch Linux. Inquire an installation image. First we gotta find the download link. Sure do have all the countries here, don't they? So we want this one, probably. I don't know, this one. Fuck it. Alright, well hopefully that's the right ISO, because I don't know what I'm doing. How hard can it be, they said. It'll be easy, they said. It'll be hard, they said. I see, just burn a disk, then it just says. Your standard disk burning format, I guess. You know what I might do instead is put it on my Ventoy disk, which theoretically should be this simple. Okay, let's put my Arch ISOs on there and see what happens, I guess. I guess that's what it says to do, so that's what I'm gonna do. Alright, well, here goes nothing. So, as you may have noticed before, the lab, this computer, is currently running a version of Debian. Yep, there we go, running Debian 12 Bookworm, because I thought, I don't know, whatever, it's a lightweight distro for a lightweight laptop. If you don't know what the lab is, you can check out my previous two videos that will explain what it is and how slow it is. So yeah, let's remove Debian from this computer and try to install Arch to it. Alright, so connecting the Ventoy drive, and let's probably have to go to BIOS here to change the boot order. I want to boot from USB storage device. Let's just try the first one. Boot in normal mode. Alright, Arch Linux will install with medium this. It's booting. That's a good sign, I think. Everything says okay. I really wish they would bring the penguins back up there. You know how they used to show like the different little penguins for the amount of CPU cores you had? They should bring those back. Those are cool. Okay. So, Arch Linux 6.10. Arch ISO automatic login. To install Arch Linux, follow the installation guide. Okay, I have it open right here. Alright, okay, Ethernet has been connected. I don't know what that will do, or if it will, like that, but we have Ethernet. Font is fine. Verify the boot mode. Check the UEFI bitness. Oops, I must have fucked something up. Well, hopefully that doesn't matter, because I don't know why that doesn't want to work. Okay, so internet is working. That's a good sign. So, fdisk-l. Alright, so we have our, so the first one is Ventoy. Wait, no, which one is Ventoy? Devs, oh yes, this was just DA. Yeah, Ventoy. So, the first one is our actual disk. Okay. Let's just just continue on. I mean, this is not a computer I care about, so. I'm already root though. So whatever. So okay. So now what we're gonna try to do is we're gonna try to format our SSD in here so we can install, create all the partitions needed to install our operating system. So prompt to enter the partition number. So 1. Oh, hello. Partition number. Okay. Oh. So N command create a new partition. Okay. Number 1, sure. So the first sector plus 1G. Okay. I see. Well, I've already created a GPT partition table, so we've done that. So add a new partition, print the partition table, so I've done that. Oh, I guess it doesn't matter, does it? So it was plus 1 gigabyte, so that would be my... Oh, I see, and then I can choose what I want to do later if I think. Think so? YOLO, I guess? Linux file system. I don't want it to be a Linux file system, though. I don't want it to be a Linux file system, though. I want it to be a... Start this over. Okay. So... what we want to do... So I'm going to create a new GPT partition table. I see I can change the partition type, so I'm going to do that. No partition is defined yet, I see. Okay. So I'm going to create a new partition. Partition number 1, sure. Our first sector should be, sure. Left sector should be plus 1 gig. Do you want to remove the signature? Yes. Signature will be removed. So now I can do that. Select the partition 1. Okay. Partition type. L, sure. Holy shit. I want it to be a EFI system. That's what I want. So 1 EFI system. What did 1? 1. I see. End. How do I get out of this? Escape. What? I can't get out of this menu. Nope, that's not what I wanted to do. End. Escape. Oh, hello. Why is this not working? What have I done? Ah. So something happened. Okay. So let's try that again. Currently in use. Okay, so I think I fucked this up. What we're going to do is we're going to start over. So we fucked something up, and we're not going to worry about it. Oh, okay. Never mind, it's just doing its thing. Oh, hello. Something flashed on the screen there for a second. Oh, Okay, welcome to Arch Linux. Let's try this again from the top with the other ISO. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so that means secure boot might be on. I don't think it is because I installed other stuff on here. But I guess we can check. Alright, back to the top. Start it over, boys. Start it over. It's only been 40 minutes. Okay. Installing Arch is easy, they said. It's not that hard, they said. We haven't even fucking formatted our disk yet. There you go. BIOS setup. Change boot mode settings. UEFI. Okay, change to UEFI boot mode. Okay, so this is UEFI. Boot mode is set to legacy. Change boot mode to UEFI, secure boot off. Also, they can be boot. Okay. Okay. I really want to make sure you know what you're doing here. Dell is like, no, be careful. Be a good boy, and don't fuck this up. Let's put the first one again. I don't think it makes a difference. It's beeping. Why is it beeping? This is scary. That was different. It was like, hey, you've done something different. We're gonna start beeping at you. Oh god. What the fuck? Guess it's taking a lot longer to boot this time. I don't know if I fucked something up or not. I don't. Why is this taking? Before it's just like shoo. And now it's like. Use a directory. Okay, that's a good sign. 64. Okay. So if the command returns 64, then the system is booted in UEFI mode and has a 64-bit x64 UEFI. Okay. Okay. So now we're good. We have we've solved that problem. So now we can actually continue. But at least we're learning things. Okay, this is a learning experience. I'm fairly new to Linux. I've just kind of used the easy beginner distros, you know, you just install it and it works kind of a thing. I'm mainly a Fedora user. I was a Pop! OS user before. I've installed Debian. That was easy. Just clicking through a whole bunch of menus. Oh, this is so different, but it's also kind of fun. Alright, so now hopefully this will be easier. So we know what we have. We know that we have things, what we were trying to do before. I don't think it would have worked, but now I think it will. So let's find out. Dash lists. Alrighty then, so the first one is... That's not a good sign. I think we might have fucked something up. This really is a Michael JMD video. Trying to install Arch Linux, but everything goes wrong. Oh boy. Well, I have the title for my video now. Okay, fdisk. So let's just say /dev/nvme. No such file or directory. That's a good sign. Okay, so we've somehow made our internal disk unrecognizable. Or could that be the whole EFI thing I did? Because all it sees is the Ventoy disk, which is not something I want to format. Disk loop 0. Oh, maybe it's that one. Maybe that's the one we fucked up before. This isn't currently in use. Repartitioning is probably a bad idea. We need to unmount all file systems and swap off. No partition is defined yet. Okay, let's just say YOLO. Just create a new empty GPT partition table. Okay. That's fine. Let's just continue like we did before and see what happens, I guess, because I don't know what else to do. But I know it's this one because the other one's Ventoy, so YOLO, I guess? Isn't it so nice when your installer does this for you and I don't have to futz around like this? Okay, so we're gonna turn this off again and we're gonna try something else. So what I'm planning on doing is we're gonna remove the drive out of this computer because we've already fucked it up beyond repair. And we are going to reformat it in a different computer. We're gonna plug it back in here and see what happens. Alright, so here is our disk and quite, you can't see shit from this camera angle. Whatever. I don't care anymore. I'm lazy. So whatever, just trust me that I'm doing something that makes sense here. So here's our SSD. We're gonna fix this. I know how. So we're gonna plug this SSD into one of these little USB dongle things. So basically, it goes like that. Then I can connect it to my main computer. Yeah, we definitely did not exit that previous thing cleanly at all. But I guess that's fine. So, we're gonna connect this to the main computer. Luckily, I don't think I'll be installing Arch Linux onto this. This is what I'm learning today. Let's just format it. Error unmounting file system. Oh fuck, it's busy. Okay, there we go. Just delete all these stupid partitions on here. Okay, so now it's like that. Now can I format it? Whatever. Compatible with all devices. GPT. I guess it doesn't matter. I'm gonna be doing that anyway. So let's just 256 gigabyte unknown. Okay, that's probably fine. Okay, so now we've cleared all the cruft off of this thing. So, yay. So now what we can do is connect it back into this computer and hopefully it won't be all fucked up like it was before. Alright, so that's been reset. We'll come back to hopefully having this thing be ready. People say, oh yes, Arch is the best. I guess this is why people are so adamant, like, I use Arch because they had to go through this shit and get it installed. Alright, so hopefully clearing off the old partition table, the shit we did, because when we tried to exit out of that menu, it's just like spamming buttons and I quit ungracefully and it just fucked shit up. So hopefully that'll have fixed this, otherwise I guess I'll switch to a different SSD. I have like a bajillion of them, so... Alrighty then, that's a good sign, I think. Wait, no. The fuck? That didn't change anything. What? So I tried swapping out the SSD. I tried creating a boot medium that was a standard, USB flash drive instead of the Ventoy disk that I had before. And none of that worked. When it was in UEFI mode, for some reason it just wouldn't see the NVMe. So I don't know. Secure boot was disabled. So eventually I came to the conclusion that UEFI mode doesn't work and we should switch back to legacy mode. Okay, so something clearly wasn't happy before when I had it set to UEFI. Okay, so the lap does not like UEFI mode. It likes legacy mode. I think that'll be fine. We'll just have to do things differently. So let's Arch install medium. And that'll be fine. Okay, so at least now we know what we did wrong before. Okay, well we see that weird loop device is still there. But, hopefully we can just ignore that. And there's, okay, so we see our SSD, so that's a good sign. So now we're gonna go back to fdisk and we're just gonna start making our partitions and hopefully we'll figure out how to do that. So we have to do it in MBR mode. Change the remaining memory only, so there's no errors this time because it's a different SSD. That's a good sign. MBR partition table, because this is, I don't know, I think I'm gonna have to do that. If I shoot, could the GP signature removed? Okay. So we've done that, so let's create a new partition. So n /dev /swap. Okay, so I want it to be, I guess we can format them later. So I guess we'll just do that. Default response, partition number 1, start there. So plus, I don't know how much swap do we want? Plus 4 gigs, it's fine. Okay, it's fine. So let's create another partition, so /dev /root. Also primary, partition number 2, first sector, last sector. Want it to be the rest of the disk. Okay, so we've created our partitions. I don't know, let's write table to disk and exit. Fuck it. YOLO. Okay. So mk swap /dev swap. Did I fuck something up then? Okay, so well anyway, we have our 2 partitions, so let's not worry about it then. So make swap /dev /nvme. So O N 1 P1. Setting up swap space, no label. I see. Okay. I see. Well, YOLO. So, make file system ext4. Fuck it, why not? ext4 like that, I guess. YOLO, I guess. Well, we're making file systems, baby. So I want /dev /nvme. O N1 P2. Okay. Swap on /dev /nvme. O N1 P1. Okay, nothing happened. Installation. So now we're finally installing the system, are we? Alrighty then, so let's start installing the system. So etc /pacman.d/ permission denied. Was I supposed to do something here? Oh, maybe CD. I don't know. Let's just hope that worked. So let's install the system, I guess. So /mnt base Linux. Oh, hello, something's happening. It's doing things. Okay. Proceed with it's going. It's grabbing, I guess, the latest Linux kernel. I don't even know, man. I don't know what's happening. Things are happening on the screen. And I'm not getting any errors yet, so that's a good sign. I don't know what the fuck we're doing, man. I don't know. I don't know what's happening. I don't know. It's installing stuff. So we've installed all the base firmware. Warning, possibly missing firmware. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I think it's fine. Okay. So something just happened. Okay, so the base package does not include all tools from the live installation, so installing more packages may be necessary for a fully functional base system. To install other packages or package groups, append names to the packstrap command above. So you use pacman to install them while... Okay, YOLO. We've already done that. Okay. We can't do that. Okay, well, YOLO. Hopefully I didn't need that shit. Okay. Well, fuck it. We're not gonna have a functional system, I guess. Generating fstab file. Okay. That did something. Check the resulting... Well, I don't know what that would look like, so fuck it. So change root into the new system, so arch /ch root /mnt. Okay. Select your time zone. Okay, does I have to worry about that? ln owns. This was not included with system D, as the system can't operate. Oh, what the fuck? That's a good sign. It's a very good sign. System has not been booted with system D as init system. But why? Why hasn't it been booted that way? Okay, well, we're just gonna power on and ignore that. That's what it said to do, though. Well, YOLO. So I clearly have no idea what I'm doing, and I'm just futzing around, so whatever. So yeah, so I don't know what I'm doing. So this is just gonna be a video of me bumbling around like a dipshit trying to install. I don't know. Clearly something has gone horribly wrong here. No file or directory. That's a good sign. Maybe because we didn't do that. Okay. Maybe that's why, because we never did that. We never did the whole localization thing. Oh, maybe it's MK. Okay. Okay. Yeah, there's nothing in here. Okay, that's a good sign. We have nano. Okay. Maybe if I just do -s nano. Yes. Okay. Well, I don't know how to create a hostname file, so create the hostname file. Oh boy. So, okay. So let's do this. So hostname CTL. Trag book air. System has not been booted with system D as an init system. So we can't do that because we don't have fucking system D enabled yet. Let's use fucking Lilo. Why does this not use system D by default? Okay, I guess we just have to configure a bootloader and then we'll reboot into system D. But how the fuck do I install? It just says to install it. How do I install it? Okay. Let's install grub. Okay. Well, let's just keep going, I guess. This is a disaster. I don't know what I expected, but I didn't think it would be this hard. For someone who knows like nothing about Linux, apart from like the absolute top level basic stuff. Oh boy. Okay. As a Linux person, this is painful. So, okay, let's see what happens. Error, cannot find grub drive, check your device map. Warning, embedding is not possible. Grub can only be installed in this setup by using block lists. However, block lists are unreliable and used to discourage. Install error will not proceed with block lists. Seems like the whole fucking legacy boot thing for this does not work very well. Oh, just the disk. Generating grub from features file. Found the image. Found fallback. Okay, warning, OS Perbo will not be executed to detect other bootable. That's fine. Systems on them will not be added. That's fine. Grub disable. Fine, done. Okay. So we've installed a bootloader. Control D. Additionally, unmount all partitions with. Just unmount everything. Oh, well, system D isn't set up, so let's just do this. Okay. Okay. What will happen? Alright. What's gonna happen, boys? Will it boot or will it just be gobbledygook? Oh. Hey, we grub. Okay. Let's go. Oh, shit. Is something gonna work? Is something gonna work? Is not. Okay. Okay, guess we're back into root. So we have and system. I guess we've technically installed Arch Linux. So I'm gonna be happy with that. It's installed. Now let's do other stuff. Well, that's not a good sign. That's also a pipe. I mean, with a very broken Arch install, but it is technically installed, so. No, like we have Nano. Is Nano still here? Yay! That's cool, I guess. Not resolve. Yeah, because I don't have networking set up properly because of reasons. Well, I think this is where I'm officially going to throw in the towel. We've technically got something set up here. And, yeah, so I guess if the question is, can a Linux novice just use, you know, futzed around with, you know, Pop! OS or Fedora or something that's just, you know, you insert the USB and then you click go, you just click through a couple of menus and you're good? Technically, I guess. Maybe if you're willing to put in extra work and really dig through the Arch shit. So maybe if I was just trying to follow their tutorial, man. And then I was just like, okay, I do this, then I have to learn more stuff. So maybe one day I'll try this again. But for right now, this is good enough. Put some other operating system on this thing eventually. But yeah. Well, that's about it. See ya.